Hi, this is Jaya. In this video, we shall see the summary of I Love You Mom, which has a beautiful message saying that we should never postpone showing our love to our beloved ones. Now, that beloved one can be one of our family members, it can be our friend, or even an acquaintance. But when we love them, we should definitely express our love. And at the same time, it also says that we should not take things for granted, thinking that they know that we like them, so why should we express it, or why should we say it in words are not necessary. But definitely when we have to show our love, words are necessary and a few actions are also necessary. Now I'll tell you the summary and you'll understand why the narrator says this, and the full story is in first person narration. Now, the narrator says that after 21 years of his married life, one day his wife came and asked him to take another woman to dinner. And she said that that other woman loved him so much and she would love to spend some time with him. Now, the narrator was wondering, who is that woman who loves me so much and who wants to spend time with me, and that also my wife itself is asking me to take her out for dinner. And then his wife tells him that that other woman is none other than his own mother. And actually his mother had been a widow for 19 years. And the narrator loves his mother a lot, but since his work demands his time and he had a family with 3 children, he did not have much time to go and visit her very often, but he was occasionally in touch with her. He was talking with her occasionally over the telephone. And so what happened is, he thought, okay, since his wife has also told him to take her out somewhere for dinner, he thought he'll invite his mother for a dinner and a movie. And his wife insisted that you have to call your mother immediately and don't postpone it once we have decided. So he gave a call and he told his mother that he would like to take her out for dinner and a movie. Now his mother could not believe what she was hearing, and she was the type of a woman, like if she gets any late night calls or if she gets a surprise invitation, she'll definitely think there's some bad news behind it. So immediately she asked him whether he was alright, whether he was well. And the narrator said, no, everything is very pleasant, that he just wants to take her out with him. And the mother thought for a moment and then she said, okay, I'll love to come out for dinner with you. Then they planned it that it will be on a Friday evening, that is after he completes his work. And as planned, on Friday after his work, he went to his mother's house to pick her up. And the narrator says that he was a bit nervous, that is, he is going to take his mother only out, but something was there inside him which was making him a bit nervous. And when he saw his mother, he had a feeling that she was also nervous. And his mother was waiting at the door with her coat on. And he noticed that she had curled her hairs and she was also wearing the dress which she wore 19 years back on her last wedding anniversary. And when she looked at him, she smiled and he says that she was looking like an angel. And then on their way, she informed him that she had said to all her friends that she was going out with her son, and they were all very impressed and they were so happy that he was taking her out. And actually they went to a restaurant which his mother chose, and that restaurant was very cozy and nice. And the moment they got down from the car, his mother took his arms as if she was a first lady, and she walked very proudly into the restaurant. And they went and sat down in the restaurant, and the menu card came and he read out the menu card to her. This he did, maybe he would have thought because of her old age she may not be able to read the menu card properly, but he noticed that there was a smile on his mother's face. And she said that, when you were a small boy, I used to read out the menu card like this only for you, and when you are reading it out, those thoughts came back to my mind. And throughout the dinner, they had a very agreeable conversation and they started talking about the recent events which happened in each one's life. And they were so very happy that they forgot about the movie and they missed the movie. But they did not mind missing the movie because that was so very pleasant sitting down there and talking together. And then he took back his mother to her house, and he dropped her. And when she was going, she said that she would like to have a dinner with him some other day, and at that time she would be happy if he could allow her to invite him. That is, this time he invited her. So next time she wanted to invite him, and he said yes, he will also be very happy to go out with her. And then he came back home and he was very happy. And looking at his face, his wife asked him how the dinner date went, and he said that it was much more than he have imagined. But what happened is, a few days later, he heard the news that his mother died, and he rushed there. And all this happened so suddenly that he could not do anything about it. And after this, he received an envelope with a copy of a restaurant receipt from the same place which he and his mother died. And in that, his mother had attached a note. And from that receipt, he understood that she had paid the bill in advance. In fact, she had paid for 2 plates. That is, she had expected him to come along with his wife also. She had never thought that her son will take her alone and spend time alone with her. And she had written in the note saying that, "You would never know what that night meant for me. I love you, son." And it was at that moment the narrator understood the importance of saying our love to the loved ones, and also saying it at the time that they deserve. And he says that there is nothing more important in our life than God and our family. And he says that each and every one of us must pass this message to everyone who has an aging parent or a child or an adult or anyone whom they love. And the message is that you should never take people we love for granted. And he says that in life, we hurt the people whom we love the most. So it is definitely necessary that we express our love to them, to know that we care for them and love for them. It's a beautiful incident. And this is the summary of the full incident. And if you have anything more to add on to this, please write it in the comment box. Like the video, share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.